This isn't just stump removal, it's a battle against a monster root system. Watch as this extreme excavator takes on one of the toughest jobs in the field. The Stump Boss NZ doesn't just remove stumps, it annihilates them. With brutal force and precision, it turns even the most stubborn root systems into dust. This is stump grinding on a whole new level. The Dipper Fox Stump Crusher isn't just removing stumps, it's rewriting the rules of land clearing. With precision power, it pulverizes tough wood and buries the debris deep underground, leaving behind a clean, level surface. This machine isn't just grinding a stump, it's taking down a giant. A massive macro-carper, toppled by storm winds, is no match. With sheer torque and relentless force, the roots are shredded, the trunk destroyed, and nature's chaos brought under control. Meet the VM60SR, a land clearing powerhouse built for 20 to 25 ton excavators with at least 130 horsepower. It handles 15-inch trees with ease, making it the perfect solution for large-scale clearing and infrastructure maintenance. Precision, power and performance, all in one serious attachment. That's not just stump removal, that's total vaporization. 1 pound of concentrated force delivered straight to the roots. No grinding, no digging, just instant destruction.
It was working.
Run, bro. Run.
It was loud.
The TL12 V2 track loader isn't just a compact machine, it's a brush clearing beast. Thick grass, dense weeds, overgrown terrain, nothing stands a chance. This is next level ground control, built for serious results. The Dopstad DZ750 Combi isn't just a wood chipper, it's a two-stage destruction unit. With a powerful slow-speed shredder up front and a high-speed mill in the back, this machine crushes logs, stumps, and debris with ease. Over 700 horsepower. Total wood domination. Meet the Woodsman 440, compact in size, brutal in performance. Built for serious forestry work, this chipper eats through hardwood, limbs, and even full trunks without breaking a sweat. Its high-torque feed system pulls in material fast and smooth, while the large drum delivers consistent, clean chips every time. stubborn stump in your way? With this stump cutting drill head, that problem is history. Engineered for power and precision, it slices through roots like butter, turning a tough job into a clean finish. He brought heart instead of horsepower. Armed with nothing but his trusted car and a heavy-duty tow strap, this man went head-to-head with a deeply rooted stump. It was tense. Tires spun, the chassis groaned. But in the end, man and machine triumphed. The stump? History. Meet the Cat 299D, a compact track loader built for serious land clearing. With high-flow hydraulics, unmatched stability, and precision control, it turns dense underbrush and uneven terrain into a clean slate. Whether you're prepping for construction or reclaiming wildland, the 299D doesn't just clear, it dominates. Tired of wrestling with massive stumps? The X-Tahoe takes the struggle out of stump removal. With precision splitting and built-in cleanup, it leaves the area smooth, level, and ready for your next project. When raw strength meets precision engineering, you get the CFM 400 log splitter mounted on a JCB telehandler. This mobile powerhouse slices and splits massive logs with surgical accuracy right where you need it. No dragging, no wasted effort. Meet the AC Autonomous Stump Breaker, a game changer in root removal. It demolishes all types of stumps with ease and speed, all while protecting roads, pathways, and underground utilities. Taking on 4 massive tree stumps is no small task unless you have the Bobcat T300 on your side. First, the area around each stump was carefully dug out to expose the tangled roots. Then, the T300's powerful lift and breakout force did the rest, ripping through the wood like it was nothing. This compact track loader proves that precision and raw strength can absolutely go hand in hand. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Case CX135SR may be a short radius excavator, but when it comes to stump removal, it delivers full-size power. With its precise hydraulics and tight maneuverability, this machine tears through stubborn root systems and lifts them clean out without tearing up the entire yard. With the Cobalco 140 and EC219 tiltrotator, stump removal becomes precise and effortless. This duo handles tough roots with surgical accuracy, turning a tough job into a smooth operation. Mounted on a JD 210G, the Sneller 275mm brings unstoppable grinding power to the field. This automatic stump mill shreds through roots, with ease turning once stubborn stumps into mulch in seconds. Now that's real wood chipping power. This machine tears through massive logs like they're nothing. Precision, speed, and brute force in perfect sync. And credit to the operator, making it all look effortless. This is the Graptor Rake, powered by Ramcam, a demolition and land clearing powerhouse. Built with Hardock's 450 steel and engineered for strength, it tears through buildings, lifts heavy debris, and clears thick brush with ease, all while keeping dump trips and your costs to a minimum. Manual stump removal sounds brutal until you bring in a 20-ton hydraulic jack. With strategic digging, smart root chopping, and the raw power of the jack, what should have taken all day wrapped up in just a few hours. It's proof that with the right tools and a bit of grit, even the toughest stumps can't stand a chance. Meet the Big John 90 DLP, the tree-moving superhero. Mounted on a heavy-duty truck, it lifts entire trees like they're weightless. It's fast, precise, and unbelievably satisfying to watch. Forget brute force. This is strategic stump removal. Armed with a farm jack, sawzall, and a full lineup of hand tools, this setup turns a tough job into a manageable mission. The sawzall reaches where chainsaws shouldn't, and once that farm jack is in position, the leverage is game-changing. Big roots? No problem, just smart tools and smarter moves. Have you ever wondered how one machine can shape entire industries? Armando Ostoto Silva's debarking and chipping lines do exactly that quietly, powering everything from heating systems to construction materials. With full control from design to production, these machines deliver unmatched precision and reliability. Out in clear water, slashing and skidding wood is more than just work, it's a rugged symphony. Chainsaws rip through timber with sharp precision, while skidders power through the underbrush, dragging massive logs like it's second nature. This hydraulic log splitter is an absolute game changer. It powers through stubborn timber like a samurai blade through bamboo, clean, fast and precise. Perfectly split firewood every single time.